Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and Salam Aidilfitri. Alhamdulillah, on behalf of MATRADE, I would like to extend my heartfelt greeting, Eid Mubarak and Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Maaf Zahir Batin to all. May this Syawal be a time of renewal and gratitude, mutual respect and shared prosperity. As we embrace the spirit of Aidilfitri, I'm pleased to share that the Malaysia International Halal Showcase of MIHAS is returning in 2025 for its 21st edition with the theme Pinnacle of Halal Excellence. MIHAS continues to be the most prominent global platform for halal trade. Mark your calendars from 17 to 20th September 2025 as we welcome industry leaders and stakeholders from around the world to the Malaysia International Trade Exhibition Centre or MITEC Kuala Lumpur. In our continued efforts to expand Malaysia's global halal footprint, MIHAS is going beyond borders. Following the success of MIHAS at Dubai in 2024, this year, we are excited to introduce MIHAS at Shanghai, which will take place from 5th to 10 November 2025, a testament to our commitment to strengthening international halal trade networks. With the halal economy evolving rapidly, Malaysia remains at the forefront, driving growth and fostering strategic partnerships worldwide. Once again, I extend my warmest wishes for a joyous and meaningful Eid. May this auspicious celebration bring new opportunities and pave the way for greater achievements in the halal industry. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.